What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy King Abe. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best trend following trading strategy that you guys can start using as soon as today. So if this is your first time on my channel and if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's roll out the intro and I'll see you guys inside. For this trading strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys today, we're going to be using this strategy on the 1 hour time frame. For this strategy that we're going to be using, we actually have to use this strategy on the higher time frame. That's my recommendation. This strategy works better actually on the higher time frame. So you can either use the 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame. So either one of those time frames, you can use this strategy with those higher time frames. So in this video today, we're going to be using this strategy on the 1 hour time frame. But before I get into this video today, so if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. So the link is going to be down below in the description, and as you guys can see right here on the screen, you can see that we've been having good weeks. We've been smashing take profits. So if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. So now, for this strategy, we're going to be looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, and we're going to be using a USD CAD for this example. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys two examples. I'm going to be showing you guys a buy example and a sell example. And if you guys look here on my chart, you guys will see that I actually have three indicators here. I have three EMAs right here on my chart. I have the 25 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA. So you have to make sure you add these indicators to your chart, but if you add any, make sure you're using moving average exponential, not simple. So right here, let's look at okay, so if we look at this buy right here, so when we're looking for buy opportunities to make this strategy work very well in our favor, we need to make sure the three EMAs are actually trending. So in this case, we need to make sure that price is above all the three EMAs and they actually going the same direction. Now, once we have that confirmation, what we need to wait for before we get in is to figure out where our resistance zone is if we're looking to take a buy trade. And if we look at this buy example here, USD CAD is currently trending right now. We're in an uptrend as of the time I'm doing this video. So if we take a look right here, we'll see that we have a resistance here, and even without the resistance, because when you have the 200 EMA on your chart, the reason why the 200 EMA is very powerful is because it can also act as your support and resistance. And you can see here the 200 EMA actually acted as a resistance zone right here, as you guys can see, because we have rejections right here. Price just kept on rejecting the 200 EMA. Looking at this, we can see we have a resistance zone there, and we can see that right here we have a support zone right here. Price just couldn't break the resistance zone and it couldn't break the support zone. Now, once we finally have our break right here, now let's put this in replay mode, and I'm going to show you guys where your entry will be for this buy trade right here. So let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look and see. So right over here, we would have our entry right over here because price finally broke our previous high right over here. So once we have this confirmation right here. We'll get in the trade right over here. Now, if you want to look for your take profit target, where can we target right over here? All we need to do is we just got to look to the left hand side to see where our previous resistance zone is. And what I mean by that is you got to look for the previous rejection to your left hand side. So now if we take a look here, we can see that we clearly have a rejection over here to the left hand side, and all we can do is just we have our zone, and then we can target this zone here. Now if you need another zone, you just got to do the same thing. Now this time around, we just got to keep looking here to the left hand side for a potential target. Now I can see that I can potentially target this zone over here too, because we had a rejection right over here before price eventually dropped. So now we have to take profits. Now we got to take profit. So now let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Now we got our target for 128 pips here, and for our stop loss, we can have our stop loss right below the 3 EMAs here. We can have our stop loss right here for 37 pips. And now let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Right there, we got our take profit smash right there, as you guys can see. Take profit smash right here for, we have our take profit smash right here for 128 pips right there, and our stop loss 37 pips, risk to reward ratio 3 to 4. Now mind you, the best strategy to use is once you're using multiple take profits, I recommend once your take profit one gets smashed, all you got to do is just move your stop loss to entry price and just let the other trade run. And even if you get stopped out, you're just gonna break even, and you really didn't lose that trade because you already took some profit and you already moved your stop loss to entry price. So this is how you use this strategy for a buy trade. Now let's take a look and look for a sell trade right here. So let's see. Let me look for a sell trade right here. So we're not going to go too far. We're just going to use this right here. Now, when it comes to sell trades, what we need to make sure of is that we need price to be below the 3 EMAs. Once we have those confirmations, now we need to also make sure that price, the indicators, they actually going the same, they head in the same direction. Now, once we have those confirmation and we're looking for a sell trade, now what we need to look for is our support zone. Now, if we look over here to the left hand side, we can see that we absolutely have a support zone right here. And when you're marking your zones, make sure you're doing it week to week. So we have a support zone here. Now let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look and see where our potential, where our entry is going to be for this trade right here. So let's take a look and see. Got a break right there. Now looking at this, your entry would be right here at this bearish engulfing candle right here, over here. Now we have our entry. Now we can have our stop loss right below this zone here for 36 pips right here. Now to look for our take profit target, we just got to look to the left hand side here, and we know we can absolutely target this zone here because we have a support zone here, making this a potential target for us right over here. We can target that zone right there. So now we just got to drag our take profit tool right here. So we trying to target 73 pips. Now let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Let's take a look. Right there, we got our take profit smash right there for 73 pips. Stop loss 36 pips, risk to reward ratio 2.0. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a buy or for a sell trade. And always remember to always move your stop loss to entry price if you're using more than one take profit. So guys, if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next video.